Hello and welcome to Ace Achievers Dental Academy. Today is 27th June 2020 and once again the AIIMS May 2020 result is out, and I am very happy and pleased to announce that Ace Achievers has secured 10 out of the top 20 ranks in this exam. It is a big and proud moment to tell you that since the last 3 years, AIIMS May has been a forte for Ace Achievers students, and this year is no different. As I told you, we have produced 10 out of the top 20 ranks. Out of these 10 students, 9 have been our current batch students, and one student, Dr. Vyakya, has been with us till December only. She didn't continue in the refresher series. Rest all of them have been continuing with us into our refresher series and are our current batch students. So today I have the pleasure of having many of them at the academy. We have 3 student selections from Jamia: Dr. Vartika, she is rank 2, Dr. Tanya, she is rank 12, and Dr. Sarish, she is rank 11 overall in the AIIMS exam. And I also have one special student from Gujarat. She is Dr. Astha Jani, she is rank 10 overall, and she is also made specially all the way from Gujarat just to meet us at the academy. So today all these toppers are going to share their experiences about the preparation, their struggles, and their experience with the academy, how they went about the preparation. This interview is going to be a little different from the kind of interviews we normally do, considering the existing coronavirus pandemic, and the interview has been recorded keeping in mind the social distancing norms as well as the hygiene norms. So I'll introduce you to my toppers. Today we have a triad from Jamia Millia Islamia: Dr. Vartika, Dr. Sarish, and Dr. Tanya. And today all 3 of them are actually making a triad and occupying my office considering the social distancing norms. So without any more delay, I'll pass on the mic to all of them to share their views with you. We'll start with Vartika. She is 2nd rank overall, and she has repeated the same story. Last year Garima got the 2nd rank in AIIMS May. Now Vartika has got the 2nd rank in AIIMS May. So the 2nd rank has been maintained for the past 2 years by Ace Achievers Dental Academy students.
I'm Vartika Chadda from Jamia Millia Islamia, Faculty of Dentistry. I finished my internship in September 2019. And I started my preparation first in October 2018 when I joined the academy. Initially I was only preparing for NEET. I had not thought of studying separately for AIIMS. After I took my AIIMS exam in November 2019, I got rank 74. At that point I believed that I could do AIIMS, and I took my NEET. I got rank 106 and I was very happy with my rank initially. But then I thought that I should give it a try. I should start preparing for the AIIMS exam. That's when I contacted Akshika ma'am, and she put me in her refresher series which was specifically designed to prepare us for AIIMS. When I first saw the result, I couldn't believe myself, so I had to ask my family and my friends to see it for me. I even called Akshika ma'am and I told her to check the result because I couldn't believe it. It felt very surreal. It felt like I was in a dream. And it was actually better than a dream, and then it took around a week to come out of it that I've actually achieved rank 2. It's very difficult to start your preparation, especially during internship, because you've just finished final year and you don't want to put in so much effort initially. So initially when I started my preparation, it was a very slow start. I just could put 2 to 3 hours a day. Especially after college, I used to be very tired and I never felt like studying. But the good thing about ACE was that they used to give us weekly tests, which made sure that I was studying a specific amount and a specific subject every week. And that kept my focus going, and that kept the tempo going, because the moment my scores used to slip or my rank used to slip, I used to feel bad. And Akshika ma'am was always that you have to always get the top ranks. So that was a big motivation for me. But once my internship ended in September, that time I started studying for 12 to 14 hours a day, and that was the final push that I required. And during my AIIMS preparation also, I continued with that tempo for the last 2-3 months, around 12 to 14 hours a day, with a lot of mock tests, a lot of tests, a lot of question based preparation where I was doing more of questions and less of theory, which I felt was very important while giving a test like AIIMS, and also NEET, where you need to focus for 240 questions for 3 hours. During the lockdown, it served both as a boon and a bane. A boon because I got a lot more time to study for the exam, and also the academy continued uninterrupted. We were regularly getting our tests on time. We were regularly having classes. There was no break in our preparation as far as the academy was concerned. Bane because it does increase your anxiety level when there is no date in front of you, or when you don't know when your target is going to be achieved. So that leads to a lack of focus, and it's very important during that time to have a hobby or to have a way you can control that anxiety through meditation. During my internship time, it was very important for me to maintain my focus, for which the academy regularly used to provide us tests and mock tests which kept us going. Also, during the lockdown, there was no interruption, and I really liked studying Neeraj sir's book, which also served me as notes, and Neeraj sir's continuous motivation before the exam. Also, during the discussions, I used to learn which questions should I attempt and which questions I should leave, which can only come after you have experienced so many papers, after you have taken so many tests, that you would know exactly which questions to attempt and which to leave. So the discussions were very helpful specifically for AIIMS. I'd like to thank my parents and my family who are okay with me for studying for 12 hours, 14 hours a day even during the lockdown. I would like to thank my teachers here at the academy, especially Akshika ma'am, for always motivating me every time I lost focus. Neeraj sir for always teaching me which questions to do, how to do it, and for all his knowledge. And even during the exams, I could hear Neeraj sir's voice giving out the answers to me so that I don't make silly mistakes. And I would like to thank my teachers at Jamia Millia Islamia, Faculty of Dentistry, especially Priyanka ma'am. One message that I would like to give my juniors or anybody who's preparing for AIIMS is that you don't need to drop a year. You can do it during your internship, and all you need is you need to study a lot, you need to believe in yourself, and that's all you need to crack AIIMS. The last message that I would like to give my juniors or interns or anybody who's preparing for AIIMS is that all you need is hard work and the right guidance to crack AIIMS. It's not necessary that you need to drop a year. You can do it in internship as long as you believe in yourself and you have the right guidance.
Hello everyone, myself Sehrish Khan, and I am from Jamia Millia Islamia, Faculty of Dentistry, and I started my preparation during my internship, and then I took NEET and I got a 691 rank, and initially I was really shattered because of my rank, because I had done a lot of hard work, and I was really disappointed that I couldn't get a rank. Then I was seriously very dismotivated that I can't do it, and I can't think of getting a rank in AIIMS after seeing my NEET rank. Then I joined ACE Achievers Dental Academy, a refresher series, and initially I couldn't believe that I can actually crack AIIMS in the first go. Then during the classes and during the motivation, I could seriously today I got 11th rank. I was really surprised. I can't believe at my rank, and I asked my sister to check it twice, thrice, and finally I am here. During the mock counseling, I got Delhi prosthodontics, and I really felt happy about that it was one of my biggest dream that I can get into AIIMS Delhi. So then I took my NEET and I didn't get a really good rank. Then I was really shattered at that time that I couldn't make it in this go. Then one of my friends, Vartika, she suggested me to join ACE Achievers Dental Academy. Then I joined Refresher Series in February, and then I studied very much, and then I finally got AIIMS rank 11, which is really a dream come true to me. So finally I'm here, happy with the rank. Everybody at the home was very happy, and I couldn't believe it, my rank, when I first saw it, and then I asked my sister to check it thrice, and finally, even after the one day after the result only, I also checked it again. Seriously, I couldn't believe it. So it was actually the ACE Achievers Dental Academy which actually made a difference. The questions, the past SR papers and the AIIMS paper, they really helped. And the mock test pattern, it was exactly the same as the real exam, so we were like very familiar with the exam pattern, so that really helped me a lot. Initially I joined ACE Achievers Dental Academy for the revision series in 2019, in July 2019, and then for AIIMS I joined refresher series in February. So when I was preparing for NEET or AIMS, the most important thing, you should be motivated that you can do it. And obviously your teachers around, they like Neeraj sir, Akshika ma'am, they always motivated us that you can do it. It's nothing like impossible that you can't do it in the internship. So I was very much motivated by that. I would like to thank God first, and obviously my parents and my teachers here at the academy, and my teachers at the Faculty of Dentistry. Then also my friends, they always keep me motivated. So my message to all those who are preparing is that you should have belief in yourself. You should be self-motivated. You should have a right guidance towards what to study and how to study, then what questions to attempt. And in this helped a lot, that about what questions you have to attempt, when to leave a question, then how much paper you should attempt, assessing the difficulty level of the paper, and then you have to judge like what amount of paper you have to attempt, like 80% you have to attempt or how much you have to leave. So all that helped me a lot during attempting my exam.
Hi, my name is Tanya Batra. I am from Faculty of Dentistry, Jamia Millia Islamia, and I am ranked 12 in AIMS May 2020 exam. I wanted to share that I started my journey when I was an intern in 2017, and I gave my first NEET attempt in 2018 January, where I got 2030 rank, and that was not a very good rank to get an admission in the government college. So after that, I don't know what happened, but it just discouraged me to go for the MBS, and I wanted to go out and explore something better for myself. But the AIMS May exam came in that year in 2018, which I gave, and just by anything like I went and gave the exam, and I got 147 rank. And that actually motivated me, that I could feel that I could do it and I should give one more attempt for the NEET or AIMS exam. So I joined the ACE Achievers Dental Academy in May 2018 for the NEET preparation. And that time I realized I read for 3 months continuously. I was working very hard and was giving every test and everything, but after that Maulana Azad Dental College JRship exam came, and by chance I went there and I gave the exam and I got selected. And after that, interview also happened. I got the first rank in the interview also. So I happened to join that JRship. I somewhat deviated from my path from the NEET preparation, and I decided to join the JRship, and which I don't know was a good decision or not, but I wanted to do it because I wanted an experience from a very good institute in Delhi. So after, it was in duration for 1 year, which I did not study. Unfortunately I stopped studying, and I lost my focus. I was just concentrated on the work there, and I was happy there. But after 1 year, I had finished my JRship in August 2019, and after that I knew that the NEET exam again is gonna come in December 2019, which I was not prepared for. And I again thought of going out, ki I should explore something for myself. But I don't know what happened. In November month of 2019, I sat down and I decided that what do I want? Actually, what do I want? So I told my parents that I'm going to study not for the NEET but for the AIMS exam. I should aim for the AIMS exam next year, which was May 2020. And I think that it was a turning point for me, because I thought something very good for myself, and I knew that it's not so easy to get into the institute also, because if you're not focusing on NEET, which is a basic, but if you're focusing directly on the AIMS, so it was a bit tough for me ki what am I thinking, is it right or not? But I think it actually made me very happy, and down the line now I am here with 12 rank, and I'm very happy. Even my parents are extremely happy with that. And I started my preparation in November 2019, but I happened to give the exam in December NEET, and but my rank was, it was so bad. It was again 2860. That time I called Dr. Akshika ma'am ki ma'am, I'm already lagging much behind the people and I have to cope up within 5 months. How would I do it? How would I catch up with the people who are already so good in NEET? And the one thing she told me, that focus on yourself, focus on what you are doing and the mistakes that you are making in your exam, and just move on. Don't think back, don't look back, and don't think that you can't do it. Because she said that I have seen people who have got like okay rank, but still they have got the selections. So that actually kept me motivated ki no, I can do it, and I'll make sure that I show them that I can do it. So after I decided for myself, I had to know that I have to put in a lot of effort, and besides that, besides the hard work, I wanted to put in the smart work, because I knew that everybody has done the hard work, but whoever makes it for the smarter one is going to take the seat. And for that, I remember that my teachers in the academy actually told me that you don't have to read everything, you don't have to learn everything, you have to learn smartly. What all you need to know, what all you don't need to know, because it is a very less span of time you have to prepare. And I think that actually I started my first reading in November, December and Jan, and then I gave my second reading when I joined the academy. At that time, by weekly test, I was able to cover my second reading of the subjects along with all other subjects which I actually planned for my timetable. And I just want to put across the message that the timetable is very important, because more than the studies, I put in a lot of effort to make my timetable as effective as possible, because I think that is the only thing that if you can achieve your daily targets, your daily weekly targets will make you achieve the goal that you are actually heading on to. And after that, giving the test and the mock test, I was really encouraged, because I was getting a good amount of marks and the ranks, and that actually pushed me more towards my goal. I would like to say that despite of having a longer journey of 2.5 years, that I had short-term goals, I wanted to do whatever I did, and but down the line, now I am here because of the determination I had in that month of November, which I had, and that actually kept me going. And for those people who are in the same boat like I am or I was, I just want to convey the message that even if you have been defocused or derailed from the things that you wanted to do, but you can have this focus, you can have that motivation to go on and focus on something which you really want. Sit down and think about yourself, what you really want, and just don't look back, just keep going forward. In the end, I would like to thank first my God and my parents who actually supported me throughout the time. Even they were also annoyed with me that I did not have a focus, but when I had, actually they were all supporting me with all their strength. And even in the lockdown, they managed to motivate me, encourage me. Even the dates were not out, but still I kept on saying myself that no, you have to do it, you can't look back, you can't sit back. And last, I would like to talk about my faculty in my college, Jamia Millia Islamia. I think that if your concepts build up so nicely from there and then only, can actually help you immensely in your entrance exams, which I actually had managed to do it. And the faculty at this academy also has managed and put in a lot of effort. I could really feel and say that all the effort and the pain that they take to actually make a child achieve, individually focus on a child and counsel them and try to make him believe in himself and make him achieve, that is really what is very much commendable about this academy. In the last, I would like to send across a message to all the juniors or the people who are preparing for the exams which are going to come in 6 months. Just stay focused. 6 months is a good time to study. Don't lose your focus. Study hard, work harder, and you can do it. Really believe in yourself that 6 months is not a very long time, and you can really do it.